brown queens. Are you ready to unlock your glow, not just on the outside, but from deep within? Because today's not just about beauty, it's about stepping into your power. Whether you're here to level up your skincare, upgrade your hair routine, boost your confidence, or just feel more aligned with your best self, this is your moment. And trust me, it's gonna be good. This video is your safe space to glow up naturally, no filters, no fluff, and definitely no pressure to be perfect. We're keeping it real, affordable, and aligned with what actually works for brown girls. Because let's face it, most beauty advice out there wasn't made with us in mind. Our melanin is magic, but it needs love and care tailored to us. And glowing up. It's not about chasing trends or trying to look like anyone else, it's about embracing your features, enhancing your beauty, and feeling confident in your own skin. It's a process rooted in self-love, healing, and joy. Have you ever followed all the advice, bought all the products, and still felt like nothing's changing? Maybe you've heard people say, glowing skin isn't for everyone, or you need expensive routines to look good. Girl, no. That ends today. You're going to learn that you absolutely can glow naturally. With the right habits and consistency, results will come. And I'm walking with you every step of the way. Let's begin with skincare, because your face is what greets the world, and we want it to radiate. Start with a gentle cleanser that respects your skin barrier. Harsh cleansers can strip melanin-rich skin, making it dry, tight, and more prone to irritation. Use something hydrating and sulfate-free, it'll clean without compromising your glow. Next, exfoliation. We often deal with hyperpigmentation and texture, and regular exfoliation can help reveal your natural radiance. But here's the key, don't overdo it. Choose a chemical exfoliant like glycolic or lactic acid once or twice a week. These help fade dark marks gradually without irritating the skin. Now, hydration is the secret weapon to glowing skin. A good moisturizer seals everything in and helps your skin stay bouncy and smooth. If you're dry, look for shea butter. If you're oily, try something water-based like hyaluronic acid. Either way, don't skip this step. Hydrated skin is happy skin. And sunscreen? Yes, girl, melanin needs it too. I know the white cast struggle is real, but there are amazing tinted sunscreens made just for us. Sun damage causes hyperpigmentation, wrinkles, and dullness. So protect your magic every single day. Let's move to the crown on your head, your hair. Brown girl hair is diverse, beautiful, and unique, but it thrives on moisture and intentional care. Weekly deep conditioning is a must. You can use coconut oil, argan oil, or even whip up a DIY mask. Nourish those curls, coils, or waves from root to tip. If you're looking to give your hair a break or retain length, protective styles are your best friend. Braids, buns, twists, just make sure you're still moisturizing your scalp and keeping it clean. That's where your hair growth starts. And sis, put the flat iron down sometimes. Heat styling can damage your hair over time. Give your natural texture space to breathe. Try air drying or cute low manipulation styles that keep your strands happy and strong. While we're here, scalp care is often forgotten, but it's so important. Massaging your scalp with oils like peppermint or tea tree boosts circulation and promotes growth. Plus, it feels amazing, turn it into a self-care ritual. Now let's shift gears to what really powers any glow-up, your mindset. Beauty radiates from the inside. When your energy is aligned, it shows. Start your mornings with gratitude, just 3 things you're thankful for. It rewires your brain to focus on what's good and keeps your spirit light. Move your body in ways that bring you joy. You don't need a gym membership, dance in your room, stretch to your favorite playlist, go for a walk. Moving creates energy, and energy creates glow. Affirmations are your secret weapon. Look in the mirror and speak life into yourself. Say, I am worthy. I am beautiful. I am enough. The way you speak to yourself matters more than you know. And girl, take those social media breaks. We're constantly bombarded with unrealistic beauty standards. But your glow up isn't about becoming someone else, it's about embracing you. Disconnect, breathe, and reconnect with what makes you feel grounded and happy. Okay, I promised you easy and affordable beauty hacks, and you know I deliver. These are my favorite drugstore gems that actually work and are Melanin Girl approved. For cleansers, I love the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser, it's gentle and nourishing. For exfoliation, The Ordinary's Glycolic Acid Toner is affordable and effective. Moisturizer? Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream gives that juicy glow without being greasy. And sunscreen, Black Girl Sunscreen SPF 30 is a holy grail. No white cast, no drama. For hair, the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Hair Mask is legit hydration in a jar. Now, listen closely, glow-ups don't happen overnight. But with consistency, love, and patience, your skin, your hair, and your soul will begin to shine brighter than ever. You're not just glowing on the outside, you're glowing from within. You're reclaiming your beauty, your identity, and your power. So if you loved this video, show your girl some love with a thumbs up, share it with your glow up crew, and subscribe for more tips made for brown girls, by a brown girl. Let's keep glowing together. Until next time, keep your head high, your heart soft, and your skin radiant. You are magic. You are beautiful. And your glow is only just beginning.